everyone. Welcome to Virtuous Eunice's Kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you how I make kanya. And I'm going to show you a couple of things because I'm just from Africa, guys. It was awesome. I had a good time in Africa, and as time goes on, I will show you some clips I did in Africa, but it was beautiful. After 27 years, I went back home, and it was wonderful, guys. See, I came with my broom from Africa. Africans, do you know this? My broom. I will be sweeping, bending down. Okay? Bending down is a therapy. So I came with my broom, and I came with my calabash. I came with my calabash. I wanted this thing so badly. I have a fana my mom gave to me, but she could not give me a calabash. So when I went home, this was the first thing I got. Okay? And when I went home, I met them with this plastic thing. They call it baler. They normally use it to bail water, to put in their pots. They use baler to wash, to take shower. So I decided to come with 2 balers from Africa. The interesting thing about this baler, I've never seen plastic with this thing. Yeah, I've seen sieve to sieve flour or those things, but not with this. So I bought this too, and I came with it, guys. I also came with a couple of things. I came with kanya pepper, prepared by family for me. These are kanya pepper. Okay, you know I love spicy food, and I also came with something called okra, but they dry the okra and make it like powder. Okay, I have some here. One of my auntie prepared it for me. I also have some of the okra here. I gave one of my friend when I came. It's so good. I also came with some tola. You guys don't know it actually. I also came with another thing called obono. Okay, it's also slimy. Okay, I think Sierra Leonean call it bobo, and Nigerians they call it obono. So I came with some that I will cook with my okra, guys. So these are the food stuff. I came it was so good. I ate so much good food without feeling heavy. It was so this you see you I'm looking fresh with all the fresh food, guys. So I came with other things like African attires for friends and families. But these are just a few things I just want to show you. So guys, I'm back in the US to continue the video. So please, I want you to subscribe. I want you to like. I want you to share so that we can reach the sky. This 2022, the sky will be our limit. So I wish you belated Merry Christmas and a happy 2022. Few more days to come. Okay, so we're going to proceed with our video. Today we're going to make kanya. Normally when people go to Africa, they bring kanya. But I decided not to bring kanya. I was so proud of myself telling them I'm not bringing kanya to US because I can make it. So let's get started. So I have 2 cups of Garri. Garri is made out of cassava, yucca, okay, the roots of cassava. One of these days I will show you how to make Garri, okay? So it's what I'm going to use, and I'm going to use peanut butter. I'm sure I'm not going to use the 2 peanut butter, but I'm going to make sure I have enough on the garri. Okay, I also have a cup of sugar here, but I'm not sure I'm going to use all because I don't want it too sweet. So it depends on the way you want it. And I have some salt. Okay, it's good to add salt and sugar because it will make you not to have any disturbance with your stomach. Okay, so first we are going to go now to the stove and fry the garri. Okay, come on with me. Okay guys, I was trying to remember how they call it in English, but I'm not using oil. In Africa we call it touch. I decided to use fried, but I'm not putting any oil in the pot. Okay, so the stove is on and I'm pouring my garri now. Okay, I'm going to be making it like this, mixing it until it gets brown a little bit. Okay guys, one of the things I'm looking for, I don't know what I will call it in English, but it's cracking. Okay, so I'm going to turn up the stove. Okay, okay guys, back home we use mortar to make our kanya, and we use the peanuts from scratch, fried it, peel it, pound it and everything. But in the Western world we decided to use peanut butter because it's already processed. Okay, oh my god, it's getting burnt. Oh my god. So for me, in this case, I'm going to use my food processor, okay, to do it. So I'm taking it off the heat. So guys, I want it to cool down a little bit. I'm going ahead and open one of the peanut butter now. Guys, okay, I'm going to put some of the sugar now. Okay, as I tell you, I don't want it too sweet. No. Okay. Guys, Kanya in my country is one of our favorite snack. Okay. Okay guys, this is our Kanya. Back home they will need to cut it like this to sell. Okay. So with salon people, if you look for Kanya, don't waste your time begin send back home. Go to your kitchen, grab your garri, grab your peanut butter. I decided not to put the salt because peanut butter is already salty, so it's just perfect. So, and this is my husband's favorite, okay, and I know he's going to enjoy it. So guys, this is the end product of it. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. As you do, God will surely bless you. In this 2022, I promise you, as you watch my video, subscribe to it, share my video, God is going to visit you and God will bless you. Once more, Happy New Year in advance. Bye.